Good afternoon, I am Professor Shahines, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. So today I am delivering the session on brick masonry work under the subject of building construction and drawing. And so these are the basic brick material, is the basic material for building construction. So we will be studying one by one. So basically, brick structure, so this is the mainly used for the wall purpose, that is partition wall or building wall that can be modified as a building material. So these are some sample pictures for brick, and some terms are there, that is sizes are given over here, so 9919, 9919, and these are the some grooves provided at the top side of the brick, which is known as frog. So it can be rectangular, can be diagonal, it can be diamond shape, and it can be octagonal space, so that it can be used as a mixer for the mortar. So these are the different bonds which we are going to use for the masonry work. So bond is we have already studied in the last session. So there are some different bonds. First bond is stretcher bond. So here the bricks are laid in each layer by putting one brick side by side. So these are mostly one brick element. So these are the header bond. In this bond, the bricks are placed perpendicular to the side of wall. So these are the isometric view, and this is the elevation. So here bricks are placed one over each by placing in as a horizontal layer. So basically this is as an English bond. So here are different layers are used for this structure. So S stands for stretcher, H stands for header, and Q stands for twin closure. So first, third, that is odd layers are placed stretcher to stretcher in each layer, and the even layers are placed header, that is they are placed vertical to the wall width, so that the bond can get very stronger in the English bond. So these are the some section elevation and plan for the English bond. Then moving further, these are the Flemish bond. So the difference from the header, that is from English and Flemish bond, is that in English bond we are placing one layer, that is odd layers in stretcher and even layers in header bond, but in this type we are placing each layer with a combination of header and stretcher, header stretcher. So we can see that one layer is horizontal, one is perpendicular. So this is the pattern in the Flemish bond. So these are the 1.5 brick wall for the Flemish bond. This is also a schematic diagram for the Flemish bond. So in paper we get a question in this type, that draw the schematic view present in a 1.5 brick, that is 1.5 brick wall in the single Flemish bond or single English bond. So these are the some schematic diagram or schematic presentation. So this is the double Flemish bond and this is single Flemish bond. These are the some arrangement of forces in different layers, so that can be used as a header and stretcher bonds in the particular Flemish bond. So these are the some difference, point of difference in the English and Flemish bond. So this bond consists of header and stretcher in an alternate courses, and in Flemish bond the header and stretcher are alternately placed in each layer or each course. Then these are the strongest of all bonds. Then this is comparatively less strong compared to this English bond. So it provides rough appearance for the one brick, and it is providing little bit good appearance. So there are no noticeable continuous vertical joints. So here are some joints that can be vertically possible. Then attention is not required for providing this bond because the layer is same for every course. Here separate attention is required as the vertical joints may not appear in one aligned layer. Then progress of this work is more, progress of this work is less. And the last one is it is costly because we are using the brick bats, and that is because bands are allowed for the bond, this type of bonds. So this is also one of the schematic diagram. So each layer is having in English mode alternate header stretcher, and here alternate courses are having header and stretcher bonds. So moving further, the fifth bond is garden wall bond. So there are again some types. So very similar to Flemish bond, that is alternate courses is a combination or mixture of header and stretcher bond. So these are the some types of garden bonds. So again, this is one of the bond, that is breaking bond, having two types again, divided into two types, that is diagonal bond. So you can see from the image that the bricks that are placed over in this breaking bond or this diagonal bond, they are perpendicular, they are in a 45 degree, not in perpendicular, they are in a 45 degree to the base of the wall. So this is one of the modern technology that can be used in the construction of compound walls or masonry work. So these are placed diagonal, this is diagonal bond, and the second type is herringbone. So in herringbone we can see there are two layers which are joining at a 45 degree from each side of the, that is from top and bottom of the brick wall. So this is diagonal and this is herringbone. And from the image we can be very clear with this type of bond. Then the seventh one is Dutch bond. So Dutch bond very similar with again of Flemish bond, but slight difference that there are brick bands of 3/4 is used at the start of this bond. So